covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Renata has launched fludrocortisone 0.1 milligram tablets in the UK for Addison's disease and salt-losing adrenogenital syndrome. The source notes storage at or below 25 degrees Celsius, compared with the innovator's 2 to 8 degrees Celsius refrigeration, potentially easing logistics. Eli Lilly has reportedly ended 2 of 3 phase 2 trials of naperiglipron, its oral GLP-1. One of these trials was enrolling patients who are overweight or with obesity with type 2 diabetes, while the other was aimed at adults with a healthy body mass index. The FDA approved Denosumab, biosimilars, Bildyos and Bilprevda for all Prolia and Xgeva indications. Labels highlight risks of severe hypocalcemia, especially in chronic kidney disease, and osteonecrosis of the jaw, with dental precautions emphasized. An Austrian-led multi-center cohort study that included 657 patients across Austria, Germany, and Switzerland found that early 75-gram oral glucose tolerance test glucose values, fasting, 60, and 120 minutes, predicted later gestational diabetes and the need for insulin. 12.6% developed gestational diabetes mellitus. Selected biomarkers were less predictive. A 4-week, family-centered diabetes self-management education and support program improved self-management and self-efficacy and reduced diabetes distress at 12 weeks in a pilot study in 49 patients. HbA1c changes were small overall, with significant reductions only when baseline A1C was above 8%. Investor commentary highlights FDA milestones expanding Medtronic's MiniMed 7/8 OG use to adults with insulin-requiring type 2 diabetes. Label specifics were not detailed in that source. The FDA is targeting unapproved animal-derived thyroid medications, citing potency, variability, impurities, and safety concerns, and urging transitions to approved therapies. The American Thyroid Association released updated 2025 guidelines for adult differentiated thyroid cancer, spanning diagnosis, staging, initial treatment, response assessment, monitoring, and survivorship. AbbVie is running a randomized, triple-masked, phase 2/3 comparing Armour Thyroid with levothyroxine in primary hypothyroidism, focusing on dose conversion, efficacy, and safety. The study began on the 27th of March 2024 and was last updated on the 13th of August 2025. China approved Tzield for patients aged 8 and older with stage 2 type 1 diabetes to delay progression to stage 3, with the company citing an approximate 3-year delay. Stay ahead in endocrinology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info